If you want to create a Framer account quickly and the right way, this video will walk you through the full process from start to finish. Framer is a powerful website design and publishing tool, and getting your account set up is the first step before you can start building pages, websites, and prototypes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, verify your account if needed, complete the onboarding steps, and get to your Framer dashboard without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button. This is the option you need to create a brand new Framer account. Go ahead and click sign up and you'll see the available sign up methods. Framer usually gives you the choice to continue with Google or use email. If you want the fastest option, continue with Google is often the easiest because it can save time and skip some of the manual steps. If you prefer to use your email address, that works too. Just choose the option that fits you best. If you select continue with Google, Framer will ask you to choose the Google account you want to use. Pick the account you want connected to your Framer profile, then allow the login process to continue. If you select the email option instead, you'll need to type in your email address and create your account details manually. Make sure you enter everything carefully, especially your email, because that's where Framer may send a verification message. After entering your details, check your inbox if Framer asks you to verify your email. Open the verification email and click the confirmation link so your account can be activated properly. This step is important because it helps Framer confirm that you own the email address you used during sign-up. Once your email is verified, you'll move on to the onboarding process. Framer may ask you a few setup questions, such as your name, your workspace name, or what you plan to use Framer for. These onboarding steps help customize your experience, so go through them one by one. If you're creating the account for a business, freelance work, or personal projects, choose the answers that make the most sense for your situation. You may also be asked to set up your first workspace. Think of this as your main project area inside Framer, where your designs and websites will live. Enter a workspace name that you'll recognize easily and continue through the remaining setup screens. Don't worry if you're not sure about every option right away, because you can usually adjust things later. Just focus on getting the account created first so you can access the platform. After you finish onboarding, Framer will redirect you to your dashboard. This means your account has been created successfully and you're now inside your Framer workspace. From the dashboard, you can start a new project, explore templates, or begin building your first website. At this point, your Framer account is ready to use. If you followed along and got your account set up without any issues, that's the full process. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you're ready to start designing in Framer right away. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.